First place, every single question right, and I didn't even read a single one. I'm going to show you 3 ways to hack Kahoot every single time. No downloads, no extensions, and they even all work on school Chromebooks. So as you can see, I'm on Kahoot right now, and anything you want to win. So let's say multiplication skill review. Obviously, this might not be what you want to do, but as you can see right here, you can see all the answers if you press show answers. And this may seem stupid, but if you have the quiz, you can just do it like that and just copy the answers. But you can't always do this, or you can even use AI to even do it for you. But another way is if you answer the questions really fast, you get more points. But obviously, that's quite obvious. So I have some links where you can hack Kahoot, and the new Kahoot hack is quite good. So all you have to do is watch an ad, and you can just spam skip ad, and then skip ad, and then skip ad. Because sometimes there's a couple. But as you can see, all you do is do this. And then here you go. You can copy this link right here. And after you copy here, go to a new tab, or just press copy right here. You go to a new tab and you just have to paste it. So I pasted it right now. And as you can see, it's here right now. So firstly, what you want to do is just press raw, which is right there. And then you just select the whole entire thing and then press copy. And then when you are here, just go back to your Kahoot game, where you will have the pin obviously already. And you just go to inspect. And then you go to console. And then from console, sometimes you'll have to press allow pasting if it doesn't allow you already, but for me it allows it, so I'll just say unexpected identifier. But if you need it, you could do it. Then you just paste it, and then from here all you have to do is enter the quiz ID, which will be in the top right of the actual quiz kind of. So all you have to do is go do the pin, and when you do the pin, you'll see in the top right hand corner. As I don't have the pin right now, it will be a bit harder to find the quiz ID, but I could just use it from the link, obviously. But after you have this quiz ID, basically everything will be so much easier. And as you can see, it says right there for a temporary game pin, so you just have to paste it. If it's red, it doesn't work, and if it's green, that means it worked. So as you can see, it's green right now. You can change the points per question, you can make it auto answer, show answers, and stuff like this. But if this method doesn't work for you, I have another one. So basically there's 2 methods that you could do. So if that one doesn't work, you could use this link right here. And then as you can see, it's right here. You do the same thing where you press copy, you go back to Kahoot, you press Control-Shift-I, or just right click and then inspect. Then you just go to console, just paste it in like we done before, and you just get a different menu. And yeah, if it doesn't work, just let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe.